Hello, welcome again. This short tutorial we're gonna see together, okay, how to finish the conversion of our ECN to shares. So you connect directly to Renaissance Space Lab or the menu FRACTAL. Then the steps num1 is to show you how many shares you will have for the conversion. Then after that, if you don't finish the process, you have two options. Option 1, normal shares, capital shares of the company. Option 2, in this red button, RSL Coin, digital shares of the company. Okay? Both options are available in this step. Next step, you must provide the documents. For shares, passport and build address. Then you download the passport. You can continue this on the laptop or your phone. Download your passport. For the RSL Coin ID card, it's available. The system will confirm successful, done, and move to the next step. You have the payment. Before the payment, you need to confirm the agreement. Okay, so switch 1 time, 2 times, 3 times for the shares, and 2 times like this for the RSL Coin. You must sign the agreement if you select the option shares. Next step, success, finish, payment of the fees to GIG, account, 5 goes. Let's finish the process. Payment is accept for the RSL Coin. Okay, don't click on get words, create your own wallet, check the last tutorial, then collect the wallet here, enter your wallet and save button. And in few days you will connect the website and you will see the RSL Coin. See you.